What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AMC for AMC Entertainment, of course, the infamous short squeeze movie theater. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel, and I completely want to apologize because, my goodness, there should have been coverage here as we made the hammer candle, taking us all the way home to the level we've been harping on and on and on about for a number of weeks now, 1425. If you're not familiar with why that's the, quote unquote home, well, look back into history. That's essentially where all of the madness stemmed from. Let me just expand this. This is like a historical moment, right? I mean, there's your 1425. There's the breakout, which caused this thing to go, quote unquote, into ape mode, right? So to me, the cycle is complete, to be quite honest with you. The fact that the hammer candle didn't really produce a significant bounce either is just cementing the idea, at least to me, that, all of those, quote unquote, diamond handers out there, almost everyone is either selling, they're realizing, hey, this probably isn't going to $500,000 a share or whatever the crazy, number speculative idea was. So, I mean, it might be a little bit cynical of me, but it just makes me giggle a little bit inside, makes me a little happy to see it come full circle. So what do we have looking forward? And again, I'll always call the stock exactly as it is. If it looks bullish, I'll call it bullish. If it looks bearish, I'm going to call it bearish. And this certainly looks bearish to me. I mean, obviously falling out of this, downtrend here, accelerating away from the resistance trend line. The hammer candle did not produce a bounce, as we mentioned earlier. And on today's session, sure, we did have Jerome Powell as the major catalyst, but we did print a massive upper wick here, indicating that the sellers really stepped up. So nothing about this is indicating bullish. Underneath the two-day lows, I would expect to move once again into 1425, and we can just see this a little bit more easily on the intraday 30-minute chart. Let me just adjust this here. There we go, making it a little easier on your eyes today. So there we go, the big flush point here. Hopefully I've emphasized that enough, around 1575. If it breaks, things get nasty inside of AMC, at least to 1425, if not lower this time around, given that we've already bounced off the level once. So here you go, scenarios to watch out for. Any consolidation here, nothing more than a bear flag on the 30-minute. Breakdowns take you there, if not lower. If we were to turn around, where's the instance where this may potentially get bullish again? Well, it's simply got to be up and over 18. Why is that the number? 3-day flush point from there, exactly where we resisted on today's session. If we recapture it, anyone who's short late to the party in here may start to cover, noting that that's just an obvious area of daily resistance, so stop losses are likely above. On the break of it, maybe there's a rotation up to 2075, but as of right now, based on the candle structure, that does not look like a likely possibility into the remainder of the week. It does look like it's poised to move lower and or just sideways here inside of AMC. So that's all I've got for you. Again, full circle here in AMC. Apologies for not covering it on that historic move into 14 quarter to the penny. If I were to hover on this candle, what I want you to look at is this little box right here where it says L1565. Notice when I hover on the candle, we were off by 2 cents. 1423 was the low of that bar, and our level was 1425. Pretty darn good. So that's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.